Perez, and this is Memoirs of a Fat Girl, going from P.H.A.T to P.H.A.T, which is physically healthy and terrific.
There you go.
In real time. We are actually in a new spot, so if you guys want to be a part of this, you have got to come down here. We are at Achieve Fitness, and we are going to be here 3 times a week.
Yep.
Monday, Wednesdays at 6:30 p.m. So we changed the times a little bit. Now we're going to be at 6:30 to 7:30 p.m. giving up people time to come and come after work. And then Saturdays, it's going to be still the same. It's still 6:45 to about 7:45 or so, and that's still going to be here as well. And we did this because it is getting rainy and wet and cold out, so we did this to try to open up an opportunity to have people come together. This is PJ, your fitness concierge.
What's
and
up, y'all?
He is here to, I mean, it's all new stuff, guys. This is like punching bags and rings and like space to like do our boot camp stuff. I don't know what he's gonna do. I can just imagine what his brain is going through right now.
Oh yeah.
What are you thinking? What are you thinking? Huh?
No. It's a secret.
So anyway, today is a small group. I think it's just me and another person because it's our first day here, and so not everybody can make it. But that's a good segue to tell you that we actually have to limit our classes to about 10 to 12 people. So if you want to be a part of this, which I really hope you do, go on to memoirsofafatgirl.live, click on the boot camp link, and that will give you all of the dates that we're going to be here. You register for that class because you need to register in order to come. Otherwise, if we're out of space, you're not going to be able to join the class.
That's right.
Yeah.
That's right.
So how do you feel about today in the new space?
Oh, I like it. I mean, I adapt to everything.
Yeah.
So we'll
I
be
mean,
here.
it's not your first gym, not your first rodeo.
That's it. So
That's
you
first
know,
rodeo.
Not first time.
All right, so we are here and we're going to get this started, and when we come back, we'll let you know how it all felt and what we're going to be doing moving forward.
That's right.
All right.
All right.
See you in a bit. much for watching. Again, this is Nina Perez, and this is Memoirs of a Fat Girl. This is P.J., your fitness concierge. It was so fun. I really slacked off last week, so you guys will see that if you follow us. And if you don't, subscribe to this channel. Make sure you click the like and the little bell notification so you don't miss a video. I had a breakdown because I didn't do what I was supposed to do as far as eating and exercising, so that affected me. But I'm here today,
That's right.
and I'm starting over, and I thank you for that encouragement.
And here's the thing, gang. It's the holidays. God gave us taste buds. Use them. You're supposed to use them. You're supposed to eat. You're supposed to enjoy it, especially with the stresses of work and COVID and all that. You can't just keep taking from a well and be like, all right, where else? Sometimes you gotta eat. Listen, I destroyed some Pepsi and some pies. The natural sugar, the one made with sugar. No high fructose corn syrup, please. But you know what? You eat, you do it, and then you decide, okay, I'm back. So
All right.
you're back.
I'm back.
That's it.
So guys, I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. I'll click all the stuff under below, and we also have recipes. So thank you guys, and until next time.
Fat out.